वेलकम टू इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग सीरीज फॉर उर्दू स्पीकर्स। आज हम सीखेंगे इंग्लिश में फैमिली और रिश्तेदारों के नाम। लेट्स बिगिन। फादर, वलदैन। फादर, वलदैन। मदर, वालदा। मदर, वलीदा। ब्रदर, भाई। ब्रदर, भाई। सन, बेटा। सन, बेटा। सिस्टर, बहन। सिस्टर, बहन। डॉटर, बेटी। डॉटर, बेटी। शोहर, husband। शोहर, husband। बीवी, wife। बीवी, wife। parents, walidain। parents, walidain। children, बच्चे। children, बच्चे। grandfather, dada। grandfather, dada। grandmother, dadi। grandmother, dadi। uncle, chacha। father's brother। uncle, chacha। chacha is your father's brother। uncle, mamu, mother's brother। uncle, mamu, mother's brother। aunt, puppy, father's sister। aunt, puppy, father's sister। aunt, hala, mother's sister। aunt, hala, mother's sister। cousin is cousin because when you have lots of cousins, बहुत सारे cousins होते हैं। cousins। father-in-law, ससुर। father-in-law, ससुर। ससुर। mother-in-law, सास। mother-in-law, सास। brother-in-law, देवर ओ या बहनोई, brother-in-law, देवर या बहनोई, sister-in-law, नंद या साली, sister-in-law, नंद या साली, brother-in-law, दामाद, brother-in-law is called दामाद, daughter-in-law, बहू, daughter-in-law, बहू, father, walid, father, walid, mother, walda, mother, walda, brother, bai, brother, bai, sister, बहन, sister, बहन, daughter, beti, daughter, beti, shohar, husband, shohar, husband, बीवी, wife, बीवी, wife, parents, walidain, parents, walidain, children, बच्चे, children, बच्चे, grandfather, dada, grandfather, dada, grandmother, dadi, grandmother, dadi, uncle, chacha, father's brother, aunt, puppy, father's sister, aunt, hala, mother's sister, cousin is cousin, father-in-law, susur, father-in-law, susur, mother-in-law, saas, mother-in-law, saas, brother-in-law, devar banoi, brother-in-law, devar banoi, sister-in-law, nand yasali, son-in-law, damad, daughter-in-law, bahu. शुक्रिया देखने के लिए. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.